Last week on Where's the Hudsons, it was time to leave Urubamba and head to Cusco. Travel by taxi allowed us to stop at the Maras salt mines, which has over 3,000 salt pads for drying various types of salt and minerals. It also allowed us to see the breathtaking countryside views along the way. Once in Cusco, we sampled some local cuisine and visited Plaza de Armas until a turn of events sent us back to Lima, where we booked a tour with Peru Hop. Stay tuned to join us for the next destination. Paracas is a town on Peru's west coast, known as a vacation destination for locals. Also known for beaches, the town is a launch pad for the uninhabited Ballesta Islands along with the rugged, wildlife-rich Paracas National Reserve.
How many more she is?
10 more. So earlier, Larry and I were talking, and I saw a boat that was named Pisco. And, you know, with Lima being, or Peru being the home of the Pisco sour, I jokingly said, I wonder how many boats are named Pisco. And we're walking by these boats, and almost every one of them is named Pisco. We stopped counting after, oh, there's one that's not, but most of them are named Pisco, so I thought that was kind of funny. I was seriously just joking earlier, but wow. Oh, hi there. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God.
Money for 3 birds. Yeah, it's definitely good at.
There's all the Pisco boats again. We talked about it yesterday, but you couldn't really see with the sun all the beautiful colors of the boats.
Pisco.
Pretty cool. I love this place. Paracas National Reserve spans desert, ocean, islands, and the Paracas Peninsula. There are many touring companies in Paracas that will help you plan your visit. So we're here at Paracas National Reserve, and this is the cathedral. There used to be a bridge that would go across to this rock here. Or maybe it was from there to there, not sure. But it broke off in an earthquake a few years back. All the birds.
guys see that behind us? Look at that.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
This is incredible. I mean, look at all that vastness.
What if from millions of years ago that don't exist anymore?
God damn it!
Oh gosh. Man, that's so pretty.
Did you guys see that behind us? Look at that. Look at all that vastness.
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 Vastness. Without a T.
Vastness.
Exist.